Hello everyone, good morning to one and all present here. My name is Amarjit Kumar. I am a student of BSc IT first year in CMS College Patna. Today I will discuss a topic in a C language, that is type dev. Start. What is type dev? In C, type dev is a keyword that's allow users to provide alternative name or a new name for a primitive data type or a user defined data types. Here are the syntax of type dev for use. First of all, we use type dev keyword. Then we write existing type of type, and then we write new name, that is alias name. So here are some benefits of type dev. First is it makes code simpler. It's improved code readability. It reduces repetition of code. And the last one is it's a help in the code maintenance. That means when we change the data type in the future, then we only update it at a one place. So in a dev C++, there are two methods for using type dev keyword for create a new name. Here in program, first of all we define a structure that's name is point, and as a member of a structure we have a two member that is int x and int y. Here we use type dev keyword for create a new name that's new name is point for instead of use struct point. Then we use main function, and here we first of all declare p1, that is variable name, and then we assign the value in a variable. After that we print the value of variable. Here the output, that is 1 and 3, that we assign in a variable. And the second method is we cannot use type dev in a special line. We use type dev when we define a structure. Here it's a second method for use type dev for create a new name. Here we also give a output that is assigned in a variable. So overall, type dev is a powerful feature in C that improved code clarity, readability, and maintainability. It is especially useful when dealing with a complex data type, structure, and pointer. That's all about my side. Thank you, everyone. If anyone have any question, please ask.
As you show your code, then why you use struct in that code?
We define a structure for here we define a structure for this is a keyword for defining a structure. Here we use a struct keyword for create a structure, and we use type dev keyword for create a new name for a structure, that is struct for a struct point.
Okay, I think he has given the answer. Okay.